Hi everyone, today we're on Module 3 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 15, so please turn to page 55 to follow along and take notes. All right, let's do a little bit of estimation. So if we look here, they want us to round to the nearest whole number. So we look behind it, the 4. Well, the 4 does not round it up, so it stays as a 2, so it's about 2. Here again, the whole number, look behind it. The 7 does round it up, so it's about 29. All right, let's look at these. We're going to round to the nearest whole numbers again. So 8.4017, the 4 does not round it up, so it's about 8. Here we have the number behind it is the 9. The 9 does round it up, so it's about 7. So that means that it is about 15. Now we're going to do 36.167 divided by 9. Well, we already got the whole number of 9. And then we look at the number behind here. The 1 makes it stay, so 36 divided by 9, which is 4. So it's about 4. That is a reasonable estimate. This says, number 5, Joseph bought a video game for $17.98 and a comic book for $5.25. In all, how much did he spend on the two items? Well, in all, we can add those up. So we have 17.98 plus 5.25. We can add those up. So 8 plus 5 is 3. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Carry the 1. Bring down that decimal point. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 23. So the answer would be A. Number 6, what is the product? Product means multiplication. The answer to a multiplication problem of 0.07 and 1.12. So 1.12 times 0.07. All right. So we're going to start here. 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 7 times 7 is 1. Then we're going to erase or get rid of that. And then here, though, we have all zeros again. So 0 times 2 is 0, or we have to put a 0 first to hold the place. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Now we bring down 2 zeros for this 0. And then we have 3 more zeros. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. So if we add those all up, we get 7, 8, 4. Well, remember, we got to go back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We can put that 0 in there. So then we have 0.0784, which is A. All right. This says, eliminate unreasonable answer choices. Solve each problem. What is the area in square centimeters of a square with a side length of 4.75 centimeters? Hint, the area is side times side. So a square, all the sides are the same, so they're all 4.75. Well, if we estimate that, we can look and estimate the 7's going to round the 4 up to a 5. So 5 times 5 would be the area is 25 centimeters squared. Well, what is unreasonable? Ooh, definitely that. 225 is too much. 2.2 is too small. So then we have B and C left. So then we need to actually solve. So 4.75 times 4.75. And I got to erase to make some room here. So 4.75 times 4.75. All right, 5 times 5, 25. Actually, I will pause and solve this, and then you can solve it and then check your answer with mine. All right, for my answer, I got 22.5625, which is C. Is that what you got? Remember, hopefully you remembered that you can multiply as whole numbers, but then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 place values to go over. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is where that ended up. All right, number 8 says, a plot of land covers 1.75 square miles. If the plot of land is divided into 5 equal lots, how many square miles are in each lot? All right, I'm going to move this up so we have some room to do problem down below. All right, so 1.75 divided by 5. So let's solve that. So we have 1.75 divided by 5. So our decimal point's going to go straight up. 5 doesn't go into 1. 5 goes into 17 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. Bring down that 5. 5 goes into 35. Sorry, I subtracted wrong there. We got to fix this. 7 minus 5 is 2. Sorry, 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Then we have no remainder, so our answer is 0.35 square miles. That is A. Number 9. A city received 6.59 inches of rain in September and 4.9 inches of rain in October. How much rain did the city receive in September and October? So 6.59 and 4.9. We can put that 0 there and then add them up. 9, 5 plus 9 is 14. Bring down the decimal, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So they got 11.49 inches. You could have seen, too, really easy to eliminate. 6.59 is already close to 7, so you're adding 4. Couldn't be that one. It is already way more than 1, and already way more than 1. All right, this says, use estimation to check for reasonableness in multiple choice problems. Cynthia worked 33.5 hours one week. Her friend Tanya worked 18.2 hours. How many more hours did Cynthia work that week? It says, what operation is needed to solve the problem? Subtraction. You can estimate the answer by rounding the numbers to the nearest whole number. So 33.5 is about 34. 18.2 is about 18. 34 minus 18 is 16. Then, use the estimated answer to eliminate answer choices. Cross out answer choices A and D because they are not close to 16. So A and D were not close. Then, solve the original problem. Actually do the problem. Cynthia worked 15.3 more hours than Tanya. So then compare the estimated with the actual answer. The exact answer is 15.3. is close to the estimated answer 16, so it is reasonable. So when you use estimation, it can help you decide if it's a reasonable answer. All right, you're going to complete page 57 on your own. Good luck.